Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn any story into a beautiful animated video using Canva. So with this Canva tool, you can animate your text, add images, characters, and music, then export your story as a video. So it's perfect for YouTube, TikTok, or school projects. So all you need is a Canva account, and you can do this on mobile or desktop. So go to Canva, and then in here, create a design. Here you can choose any size or canvas that you want. So for example, I'm going to go with custom size. Let's say I'm going to use a YouTube thumbnail size. So in here, you can just add your story text. You can type or paste your story, and you can break it into sections or slides to match the flow. In here, click on a text, and here you can just click on add a text box, and then I'm going to just paste the text in here. Okay, for example, like this, and then you can change like the phone and everything, and you can also now change the background. You can use Canva free backgrounds by going to elements and find the one that you want. For example, I'm going to go with Disney Forest like this. You can just click on see all to see all of the photo. For example, I'm going to use this one and make it as the background, and here I'm going to change the font color to white like this. And now you can also add images or upload your own. You can add characters, illustrations, or shapes to bring your story to life. And you can just highlight your text in here, and then click on animate at the top and choose the effects that you want. You can go with typewriter, sand, for example, block, burst, or maybe pen like this. I think I'm going to just go with the typewriter. And you can also add the music and voiceover. You can go to elements again, click on audio, and in here you can choose the music that you want, or you can also add your own voiceover by uploading it into Canva. So when your animated story is ready, you can just click on share and tap on download and choose MP4 video as the format. And that's it, your story is now a video. So guys, thank you so much for watching. That's how you can turn stories into animated videos with Canva. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. Bye.